Neuroscientists tell you that brain development starts right away, prenatal to 3 critical years. And the one intervention that's been studied, and then we know that works well, if it's a high-quality home visitor who's trained to go into home and work and bond with these parents, we have longitudinal studies to say, again, the return's extraordinary.
Home visiting is an evidence-based voluntary program that matches trained professionals, often nurses and social workers, with parents. They provide information and support. Art Rolnick is a widely respected economist who has made it his mission to make sure the taxpayers understand the importance of quality home visiting because of the impressive return on investment.
The economists will tell you all the time, invest in your high return projects and your high return programs. And it's critical that we demand quality. The research says we've got to have quality programs. We have programs that produce. We need to use that research to tell us how to invest our limited dollars in the most effective programs. Clearly, it's home visiting. Clearly.
A RAND Corporation study supports these findings. It looked at the most rigorously evaluated model, the nurse-family partnership. Research shows positive outcomes that, over time, yield returns of up to $5.70 per tax dollar spent. As the director of research at the U.S. Federal Reserve Bank in Minneapolis, Rolnick recognizes how society can benefit because high-quality home visiting results in less dollars spent on mental health and criminal justice costs. It also can decrease dependence on welfare and increase employment for participating mothers and their children.
We don't even call them our at-risk kids anymore. We call them our high-return children, because we know if we invest in these kids, they'll do well. And as a community, because most of these benefits are public benefits, as a community we all benefit. We'll build sports stadiums, but we won't invest in these families. It doesn't make sense. Given this research, I don't quite get it. As a society, this seems to be, no pun intended, a no-brainer, because the economics is clear. They're our high-return kids. That's where the highest return for our investment can be. You don't get returns like this. I like to say that my venture capital colleagues out there in the real world, that if they saw an investment with this kind of a return, it would not go unfunded. It just wouldn't.